Like a forgotten stepsister, Columbia was moved from the orbiter processing facility to make room for Discovery. Columbia is the oldest member of the fleet and has been in orbit 7 times. But its return to space has not been a priority. In fact, spare parts and work crews have been taken off the orbiter to go to the other 2. Today, Columbia's managers felt a little remorse because the new location doesn't have the facilities to do all the work they'd like to.
I like to go back to the OPF where you can power it up and do some processing. Over here we'll be doing modifications and tile work.
Columbia is third in line for Launch Pad 39B, with Atlantis launching in November, Discovery launching again in February.
The other 2 have demanded a lot of the attention. So we've kind of waited our turn, worked as we could, kept some people doing modifications, and then recently we've been able to increase our manpower and put a little more pressure on the work.
2 weeks ago, Columbia was able to power up for the first time in more than 20 months, and workers felt that was a big milestone. But there is still a huge amount of work left to be done on the orbiter. Columbia's return to space is less than a year away, scheduled for next July. At Kennedy Space Center, Susan Cole for CBS News.